Welcome to this explainer. Aspirants, did you know एक single रात में the financial ground literally shifted? And more importantly, do you realize that these new June 1st rules are going to have a direct impact on your GS paper 2 and 3? Stay right till the end guys क्योंकि हम इससे connected एक important past year question भी discuss करेंगे.
So the big question is, are you ready for these new rules from an exam perspective? Whether we're talking about digital banking or tax regulations, ये changes हमारी economy के dynamics को पूरी तरह alter कर देते हैं. Let's decode this whole shebang step by step.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Look at that staggering number on your screen, 23.2 billion. In May 2024, UPI transactions completely broke the record. Who's involved here? The RBI and NPCI. Why does this matter? क्योंकि हमारा digital payment ecosystem इतना massive हो चुका है कि now stringent regulations are absolutely crucial. That is the core breaking news we're dealing with today.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. Number 1. UPI and ATMs. Number 2. Tax and PAN updates. Number 3. Household costs. And finally, number 4. Deadlines and your checklist.
Moving on to Section 1. UPI security and ATM hidden charges. Let's see what's changing under the hood.
So what's actually happening in the banking backend? For high-value transfers, biometric authentication, like your fingerprint or face scan, is now mandatory. Under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act of 2007, security is paramount. Now, when you scan a QR code, it's going to show the verified bank-registered name, which is huge for mitigating fraud. And get this, EPFO is actually testing UPI for Provident Fund withdrawals. This is literally a textbook example of e-governance in action.
And this brilliantly illustrates how loopholes get closed. Before this, cardless UPI cash withdrawals didn't count towards your free monthly limits. But now, according to the new RBI guidelines, those cardless withdrawals will directly eat into your free ATM limits. Think like an officer here, guys. This policy shift is designed specifically to enforce financial discipline.
All right, Section 2, Tax Relief and PAN Updates. Let's look at the rules and the relief.
Now, what's really fascinating about this table is the massive jump in exemptions under Section 10 of the Income Tax Act. Child education allowance just shot up from 100 to 3,000 rupees. Now, let's bring in the geographical angle. अब देखते हैं मैप पे exactly कहाँ है ये जगह और क्यों ये location important है exam के लिए. That 50% HRA exemption is no longer just for traditional metros like Delhi or Mumbai. Emerging economic hubs on the map like Bengaluru, Pune, and Ahmedabad are now right in this bracket. It's a perfect reflection of current urban migration trends.
Under income tax rules, specifically Rule 114B, here is your ultimate cheat sheet for exactly when PAN reporting is mandatory. The annual limit for cash deposits is now 10 lakh rupees. Buying property? That threshold just jumped from 10 lakh to 20 lakh. From a UPSC perspective, especially for GS Paper 3, these steps are absolutely crucial for curbing black money in the economy.
Let's simplify advanced tax for a second. Under Section 208 of the Income Tax Act, if your estimated annual tax liability is over 10,000 rupees, you've got to pay 15% of that by June 15th. It's that simple. Missing this deadline means paying interest penalties, but from the government side, it ensures a smooth, continuous revenue flow.
Moving on to Section 3, Household Costs and Solar Mandates. Let's break down the macro-level impacts.
So, the crucial takeaway here is the socioeconomic impact. Domestic cooking gas prices are completely unchanged, which is fantastic for inflation control. This should immediately remind you of the PM Withdrawal Yojana. However, the commercial 19 kg cylinder just went up by 42 rupees. That really pinches businesses, increasing their input costs, which could potentially drive up retail inflation down the line.
And here's a massive update from the MNRE, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Subsidized and net-metered solar projects must now exclusively use ALMM-compliant modules. ALMM stands for Approved List of Models and Manufacturers. Why do we care? Because this is a huge boost for Make in India and domestic manufacturing. For your GS Paper 3 environment and energy infrastructure topics, this is a highly expected point.
Finally, Section 4, Crucial Deadlines and Your Compliance Checklist. Let's get practical.
You will definitely want to memorize this timeline for the exam. June 1st, new rules take effect. June 3rd to 5th, the RBI Monetary Policy Committee meets. Now, remember that classic prelims question? MPC किस committee की recommendation पे बनी थी? The Urgent Patel Committee. Keep a close eye on the interest rate signals from this meeting. And of course, June 15th is your advanced tax deadline.
Before we wrap, take a screenshot of this compliance checklist. Update your UPI apps to get that biometric security. Start tracking your cardless ATM usage. Calculate your advanced tax liability before June 15th. As future officers, you don't just need the theory, you need to understand the practical application so you can navigate these systems seamlessly in the real world.
We've covered security, taxation, and the broader economy. Now, here is your model mains question. Discuss the impact of digital financial literacy on India's economic formalization. Think about how today's rules tie into that. अगर आपको ये एक्सप्लेनर हेल्पफुल लगा तो लाइक करो और कमेंट में बताओ आज के एक्सप्लेनर का मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट क्या था। सब्सक्राइब करो क्योंकि नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनर में हम एक नया और क्रूशियल टॉपिक कवर करेंगे।